Hello plant lovers! So I made a little video about potting my Canna seedlings. It's the Canna Edulis. So the first thing you do is make your labels, of course. Otherwise you won't remember what you are potting into or potting up to. Potting up, oh my god. So these are the seedlings. You see I have 5 that are very big and 2 that are small, just making the roots. But I will pot them all up, because in the past I never had difficulties growing these plants, even if they just had roots out. So my mixture is 20% vermiculite with 80% potting compost, and make sure of course that the bottom of your containers has holes in them, so the excess water can drain out. So use your fingers like this and nothing will fall down, otherwise maybe you would damage the stems, and that's not what you want to do. You see, great root system. Now start peeling off the excess mix. In my case it's cocos fibers. To be honest, I use cocos fibers, I use pure vermiculite, I use mixtures of them. So what's the best way to do? I don't know. The best for the roots is pure vermiculite, but then the thing you need to do is keep the holes very small at the bottom, otherwise your vermiculite will just pour out, and that's not what you want. So I put every seedling on its destination pot, or pot of destination. So these are the big ones, and now the small ones, you see, just germinated but good roots. So in they go. Same with this one. Now I reuse always what I use. So my cocos fibers will cover up the roots now. So I make a small hole, put the seedling in, then I shake it up, shake it off like Taylor Swift would sing. So the soil will make contact with the roots. Then I put the cocos fibers back on, and that's it. That's all you need to do. So I do this for my 7 plants. So how did I germinate my cannas? Well, I had two methods. So one method was scarifying, then put them in water for a few days and then sow them and put them on a heating mat. The other one was pour boiling water over the seeds, and then again put them in water and leave them for a few days, and then put them in your mixture, your seed mixture, and wait. And put them on a warm place. So in front of your window in full sun would be okay, or even on a radiator, but keep the moisture in check then, because don't let them dry out. They love water. Okay, 2 to go. So the excess I pour out, and then I put the plant in, and then I put the excess back on top of the roots. It's that easy. For me it's quite relaxing, but if you need to do this every day and thousands of plants, I think it's stressful. We're almost done. Push them down. Voilà. Now label them. Don't forget that. And I always put when I sowed them, when they germinated. So this was the first month of 2022. So January 22. So not when you sow them, but when they germinate. It's not the same. Okay. Last thing to do is water them from above, so the soil make contact with the roots, and then they can start growing. Put them on a windowsill, warm spot with light, and they will grow. And in May, after the chance of freezing is gone, you can put them out in pots or in the ground. That's up to you. So good luck, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments. Bye.